All right, teachers, I'm hoping this helps you maybe with commenting and communicating with students. It's a Google Chrome extension called Talk and Comment. This is what it looks like in the extension store. So I'm just going to show you how I would apply it. So I would apply it in a few different ways. Classroom comments, we have our comment banks. Those are wonderful, okay? But sometimes I want to be more personal or I want to explain something and it's really hard to get whatever that is in text form. So this is just an audio way of you being able to leave feedback or communicate or ask questions to students. So once you have the extension installed, you would, I pin it right here, so it's just easy access. And you can turn it on or off, right? Right now I have it turned on. And it kind of floats over off to the side on wherever you're needing it, as long as you're using Chrome, okay? So for this application, I would be using it to leave feedback for one of my students' Google sites. So one of their activities was to create dance moves and have to label their anatomical regions. Okay, so I thought she did a really good job. So I would get my comment box ready. Okay, and I could just comment on this whole slide by not just saying, oh, good job, which is a little, just kind of repetitive. We say that all the time, but maybe just like give her actually some feedback. So you could just click on here and it's going to prompt you to start recording, and you just hit the green check mark when you're done. I really think you did a good job. Thanks for being creative. All of your landmarks look accurate, so have a good weekend. Just hit the green check mark. You can double check that you said everything you want to say or re-record it or whatnot. Okay. I really think you did a good job. Thanks for being creative. All of your landmarks. So you can listen to the whole thing if you wanted to. It'll give you a link here. So you just copy that link, okay, and paste it in here. And it's going to leave it as a voice note. So I would delete it because sometimes it doesn't recognize the URL because that voice note is there. So I technically would just be on the safe side, delete it, and then you could go ahead and leave a comment. And then that comment is there, right? So the students can pull it up on their end and it'll prompt them to this, and then they can listen to I really think feedback. You did a good job. Thanks for being creative. Okay. They can also reply and it'll give them kind of the same prompt, but they have to have the extension. I'm not sure if your district would let you do that, or if our district does, but the students seem to be able to get the messages. I just haven't played around so much with them being able to leave or audio messages back. So anyway, so that's how they would actually access the comments, okay? And you could even write like voice comment or something like that, but it's there for them to be able to hear, okay? So another way I would use this is maybe when I'm giving directions, like maybe it's like kind of a complicated thing. You could do the same thing. You just say, here are your directions for the week. I made you a Google slide that you have to put all your work into. I gave you guys a schedule for the week, so make sure you pay attention to due dates. And there's a direction video in case you guys need help with your assignments. Email me if you have any questions, but don't forget about that code word. Okay, so you have it ready to go. You copy, right? Paste it in there. Do it like that. Okay, save it. And then if you actually clicked on the assignment, right, the directions are going to be able to play right there. Here are your directions for the week I made. Okay, so if you do have kids that are probably better with auditory directions, then it's probably a good way to go, or you could do it with both. Another way I would apply it is with emails, because again, it's really sometimes hard to get your point across even to parents sometimes, and we don't always have an opportunity to leave them a voicemail. So you could always do this. Again, it's floating in that corner as long as you have it turned on, okay? So you would just, hi, it's Miss Wake. I just wanted to let you know about so-and-so's grade, and these are the things that they could do to get their grade up. Email me if you have any questions. And then you could like list some certain things out if you wanted to, or attach a grade report or something like that. And again, I would just say voicemail, hyperlink it, and then again, or paste that in there, and then get rid of the voice note. That's the only thing I wish they wouldn't leave on there. But just click OK, and then you can always check and make sure that the link's going to work by clicking on it. Okay. So those are the primary ways I would recommend using it. I'm sure there's so many possibilities, especially foreign language and classes that require like a lot of discussion feedback. So hopefully it helps.